So guys, first method. So this is your backside of your PC. So use this one to connect properly. Okay. If you have a single, so this is mic and this is speaker. Okay. Then next, click to start. Type control panel. Then large. Click to category. Then click to hardware and sound. Then again click to hardware. You can see here, you can how many speakers you connect here, you can detect. Okay, then just double click and click to, you can text here like that. Okay, click to property. So guys, select the level 100%. Okay, and you can see here balance on 100%. Okay, and then okay, and then okay, and then close it. Then guys, next, update and reinstall the audio driver. So just right click of Windows icon, click on device manager. Otherwise you can next, second method, click to start and type device manager. You can see here, and then click. Then extract audio, and this is, you can see here, mic and speaker both different. Just right click to update driver and search by automatic. Okay, otherwise it will not resolve the issue. Just right click and uninstall. You can see here it is removed from that. Then again uninstall driver, just uninstall it. And you can see here also, just right click and uninstall and remove that. Okay, after that guys, you have to click on here, scan for hardware changes. Okay, this is last icon. Just single click, it will detect automatically. Okay, it's audio and input output and sound also there. After that guys, select the microphone, just right click to update driver and then click to search automatically. Complete, do that like same of for a speaker, then close, and same for high residency and click to. So please extract, if you install directly for not that, just extract it. Okay, closed. Then guys, next method. Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this first method guys, you have to come www.gigabyte.com. This is the official website, so you can download Gigabyte any devices driver. So in this, here you can see this is search button, and on click on that and just right click to enter your model number which is you require the device B850M focus force, and then hit enter. Click on product and click on title of model number motherboard. So this is your motherboard, just click on the support. So guys, select your operating system which is you require, Windows 10 and 11. So if any, I am making video on Windows 11. So if you are using Windows 10, so you can follow this video and install the driver because the installation process is same. So first, audio driver, You can see here size and just click to download. After click to download, it will start downloading. In see here, wait few seconds. It's totally depend on your internet speed. If you are using good internet, so you can download the driver easily. So it is completed. Just then click to open. So this is exe of your driver. So if you have to install smoothly, so you can extract and then try to install. Otherwise you can just double click on this setup. Then click to yes. Now this is extracting driver to your system and then installing. Now this is installing driver. So it is installing in the background. You just wait few seconds. It will close automatically. So it will close automatically. Okay. Then close. It is done. So guys, next method, scan sfc scan, how to run it your system. So this is command I will give in descriptions. So click to start and type run cmd and just right click to run as administrator. Then click to yes. Then you can see this is 4 command, and if it is, do not copy paste from YouTube description, so you have to enter manually one by one. Okay, so please note which is small and capital and all. First is start. Then guys, second one, which is check health. Okay, DSM online check health, and you can copy. If it is not happening, so you have to enter the manual. Okay, like that, DSM space slash online and then hit enter. Okay, second one command. So it is completed. Then next, third one, scan health, you can see, and then again hit enter. Now you can see here it will start automatically percentage, and wait few seconds, it will complete. Then last, restore health. Then guys, fourth one, which is restore health. You can see here, you can enter like DMS and all. And please note small and capital. Okay, restore point, restore health, and then hit enter. Again, guys, you have to wait. Okay, some start the percentage. It will complete. After that, you can see here